Huawei Cloud Firewall Service Demonstration Video, allowing inbound traffic from a specified IP address. You can use the CFW to protect your EIPs. After EIP protection is enabled, you need to configure protection rules to implement the protection mechanism. This video demonstrates how to allow inbound traffic from a specified IP address. First, enable EIP protection. Second, add a protection rule. You need to add a rule to block all inbound traffic and a rule to allow inbound traffic from the EIP. Third, view protection logs. Log into the Huawei Cloud Management Console and choose Security and Compliance and Cloud Firewall. This will display the Cloud Firewall page. Choose EIPs under Assets to display the EIP page. Select the EIP whose traffic you want to allow. This video demonstrates how to allow inbound traffic on port 80 for the EIP with the suffix 36. After protection is enabled, service traffic passes through the CFW. Next, choose Access Policies under Access Control. Add a rule to block all inbound traffic. Set source to any, destination to any, and service to any. Set action to block and priority to lower than the selected rule. As there are no other protection rules, select pin on top. Exercise caution when configuring a blocking rule. It is advised to disable this rule first. Add a rule to allow inbound traffic from the EIP. Set direction to inbound, source to any, destination to IP address. Enter the EIP with the suffix 36. Destination port to 80. An action to allow. The default action of CFW protection rules is allow. The action of this rule is also allow, so we can enable this rule. Click OK. After confirming that the rule configuration is correct, enable the blocking rule. Choose Log Query under Log Audit. On the displayed log query page, click the Access Control Logs tab to view the matching details of the protection rule.